Today's dinner is super simple chicken bake with mushrooms and potatoes. In a casserole dish, add chicken, mushrooms, melted butter, salt, and pepper. Give it a good mix and spread it over the casserole dish. Next, add thinly sliced potato. Season with salt and pepper and then squeeze mayo over the top to coat. After, add grated cheese, cover it with foil paper or parchment paper, then bake at 350 degrees for about 60 minutes or until potatoes are cooked through. Next, uncover and broil on high until golden color. Garnish with finely chopped parsley and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like recipes like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye. Print this recipe at munchkintime.com. Search for baked chicken and potatoes. Enjoy.